Ever found yourself spending hours on end performing repetitive tasks in Excel? Ever wished there was a magic wand that could automate all those tedious tasks? Well, guess what? There is, and it's called Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA for short. VBA is a programming language developed by Microsoft, used across the Microsoft Office suite. It's a powerful tool that can automate tasks, analyze data, and even build custom Excel applications. So how does one tap into the power of VBA for Excel automation? It's a journey that starts with understanding the basics. First, open Excel and navigate to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, don't worry. Go to File, then Options, select Customize Ribbon, and check the Developer box. Then it's time to dive into the VBA editor. Click on Visual Basic in the Developer tab. This opens up a new window, the VBA editor. Here you can create and edit VBA code. Now, let's create a simple macro. In the VBA editor, click Insert, then Module. This creates a new module, a container for your VBA code. Write a simple code. For example, a code to create a message box that says, Hello World. The code should look like this, sub Hello World, mesh box Hello World, end sub. To run your macro, go back to Excel, click on the Developer tab, then Macros. You'll see the Hello World macro. Click Run, and voila, a message box pops up with the message Hello World. That was a simple demonstration of what VBA can do, but it can do much more. With VBA, you can automate tasks like filling in a series of cells, sorting data, or creating charts. You can also build custom functions, create user forms, and even interact with other applications like Outlook or Word. To learn more, explore the VBA documentation on the Microsoft website and experiment with different codes. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use VBA, the more proficient you'll become. In conclusion, VBA is a powerful tool for Excel automation. It can save you time, increase your productivity, and open up new possibilities for data analysis and application development. So why not give it a try? You have nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain. Remember, the journey of 1,000 lines of code begins with a single subroutine, and with VBA, the possibilities are virtually endless. So go forth, automate, and conquer the world of Excel with VBA.